I'm going to show you how to use Padlet. Padlet is a tool that teachers can use to create a collaborative learning environment. It works like a digital bulletin board. You can post so many different things on Padlet, like pictures, videos, notes. So the first thing I'm going to do before we go into how to make a Padlet is just show you an example one so you have an idea what you can do with it. So right now I'm on my Padlet account. To get a Padlet account, it's free. You just sign up with an email and you can use all the parts of Padlet, or you can sign up for a premium account, but that's not really necessary unless you're going to be using it very regularly or for professional reasons. So first I'm going to do is I'm on my dashboard. So I'm going to scroll down to my Padlets, which are down this way, and I'm going to open up an example one that I made for you. So this is a Padlet all about me. I'm able to title it and then give a description about it. I chose this background. I was able to edit it. And you can put different types of things on a Padlet. So some examples would be just notes, like this, or just pictures. And if you click on pictures, they zoom in, which is cool. And then you could do pictures with captions and labels, which I have a few times. You could do videos. So you could put in a video that you made or a video you found off YouTube, which is what I have here. So it starts playing when you click it. Or you could even post links to other things. So here's my Pinterest link. And you would just click on it and it would open up my Pinterest board. And you use this little plus sign down here to add to your board. So you just click it and you go. And right here you can see you put your title for your post, your caption for your post. You can record something, add a video or an attachment. Let me scoot this up so it's easier to see. Let's see. Video, voice recording, video, attachment, picture, document. You could even add like a document like a Word or a PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you how I made this page or how to make a Padlet in general. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And here it says dashboard, recent activity. So I'm going to hit just right here, make a Padlet. When you got off, it's just a blank. They put something out there for you, but you can change it around. So I'm going to title this my screencast. And then it says description, made with the help of a typing monkey. So I'm just going to put a little smiley face right here. So first you can change the layout. So if you keep a freeform, that means that the notes you add are going to pop up randomly, or a grid, they will pop up in order, or a stream, they will pop up flowing. So like a normal blog post would come up. So I'm going to keep it in grid form. And then you can change your wallpaper. So you have all these different options. You can add your own, upload a picture, or pick one from their gallery. So just going to scroll here. I'll go with the giraffe. So after wallpaper, I'm going to go back. And you can choose a theme if you have premium, but it's not necessary. You can still do everything else. And you can tell what your Padlet is for. So if it's like for work, school, business. And then you can do, when people post on your Padlet, you can say if you wanted to say names or not. You can choose if you want people to see the comments people make. And you can put tags on your Padlet so that it's easier for people to see. And here is an address that you can share with people so they can see your Padlet. So now that I have what I want it to look like, I'm going to hit next. And you can invite people to see your Padlet. So right now it is on secret where only I can see it, or someone I give the link to. But if you put it on password protected, that means someone needs a password to get to it, or private, as in only I can see it and people who contribute it can see it, or public, which is I'm going to put this on. So I'm going to change it so those with access can write. You can have them write, you can have them just be allowed to read it or moderate it. So I'm just going to have them be able to write because I want people who get on my Padlet to be able to use it. So add contributors. So these are the people that you want to be able to get onto your Padlet. So you can have people get on your Padlet by just giving them the link, or you can have their email or username here and it'll share the link with them. Okay. So now I can post on my Padlet. So right here, I'm just gonna add a file. So I would just type here and say, how to use Padlet. And I can write some bullets. Create an account. Make your board. It's quite simple. And then, so that's one thing. And now I'm going to add another one. And because it's in grid form, it comes up right next to it. And I'm just going to add a picture. I'm going to browse my computer for a picture. So I click the add attachment, choose a file. So I will just add this screenshot of my kitten. And it's loading up. And then it makes sure that you like how it looks. Hit OK. And boom, it's posted. And here I can give it a title, Boo. So now I want to share my Padlet so that other people can use it and collaborate on it. So I just go to share. There's a lot of different options. So I already talked about privacy. And you go to share, export, embed. And if you give people this QR code, they can scan that and get on the Padlet and then edit it. You can copy the link to this. You can embed it into something, email to someone, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter. Or once your Padlet's complete, you could even save it to your computer and print it out so that you have it to look back on. One of the cool things about Padlet is that you don't need an account to work on it. So you can share these links or these QR codes with your students and they don't even need to make an account to be able to use it. So I close this and Padlet will automatically save. So if I go back to my dashboard, it is here somewhere. So we have, here I go to my Padlets, which there it is, my screencast. And I have what I've created, what I've shared. I haven't shared with anyone yet because I didn't have people's emails. And what I contributed to. So these are other Padlets from other people that I have worked on. Or if you liked, because you can search for other Padlets, but I haven't done that yet. And here you go to your attachments. You can see everything that you've uploaded, everything you've done on it, collaborators, people that you've worked with onto their Padlets, or people who have worked on your Padlets. And yeah, and we go back to our dashboard and we can see what we've made and what we've worked on. So that's Padlet. It's a pretty great tool. You can use it for your classroom, have all students contribute. There's many different options for it. So go on, make a Padlet.